Good morning, sir. I am Alexis Kellan from BSHM2, Block A, and my chosen Asian cuisine is Southeast Asian cuisine. And let's start. Brief background of your chosen cuisine. Um, Southeast Asian cuisine. Southeast Asian cuisine is major influences on Southeast Asian cuisines has been exerted by China from the east and India from the west. Perhaps the most profound in impact on the region's cooking was in the 60th century when Portuguese traders brought the chili pepper from their colonies in the Americas. Why did you choose this cuisine? What interests you? Um, I choose Southeast Asian cuisine because we're part of Southeast Asians, the Philippines, and as what I saw on my research on Google, there's recipes in some part of Southeast Asia countries that delicious that we can make it and here in the Philippines and taste like that because we have ingredients that are the same in those countries and we make it a business like in the restaurant we can sell it. Three recipes from the cuisine that you can confidently say that you want to cook it at home and why. For me, recipes that I can cook it from our home is Southeast Asian chicken wings. That's common in the Philippines right now. I love the flavors that can be found in many Southeast Asian cuisine. Maybe these sticky Southeast Asian chicken wings borrow from those beloved flavors and totally satisfy my cravings for that beautiful cuisine. And those ingredients that used on that recipe, I can buy it in the market because we're the same herbs and spices. Second recipe that I love to cook is fried rice. Every morning I cook fried rice because I love it, and the recipe that I would love to cook is the Indonesian style sauce fried rice. Fried rice loaded with chicken, red bell peppers, broccoli, and a fiery. The secret sauce of this Indonesian fried rice is sambal uwelik, or in the Philippines we can use oyster sauce. That's the secret of the fried rice. And I will put it some spices because in addition in the Indonesian fried rice style spicy sauce made from coarse chili. It gives this fried rice just enough kick but not overpowering. And the third is Cambodian chicken and soup with shrimp. It is came from the Cambodia. It is a recipe from Cambodia. For this recipe, spicy, soothing, and restorative chicken and rice soup, Ratchakao prepares his own delectable chicken stock and roast a chicken, which is then cut into large pieces and added to it. Using a prepared stock and pre-roast chicken significantly crushed back on prep time. So the ingredients are are not here in the Philippines. Some of the ingredients, herbs and spices, but I can um, replace another like spices. We don't have here. We don't have a rathacho, and I will use some dried chili to have spicy my soup.